We are pleased to show you the 2022 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass, compass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.